On June 21, 2011, I participated in one of Richard Paramont's excellent Lotus tours that included a meeting with Danny Bahar, the CEO of Lotus Cars at the time, and a tour of the building where Lotus cars are assembled in Norfolk. At the end of the group meeting with Danny, I was talking to him about the U.S. market and asked him if it would be all right to videotape the tour of the factory. He said yes, and then I saw the negative reactions from his staff around him. Walking to the door of the factory building, I was approached by one of the production directors who said I would be limited in what I could shoot with my video camera. From that point on, I kept my camera at waist height and was careful not to attract any attention. You will notice that the Elise, Exige, and Evora are all built on the same assembly line, including cup cars. This video is most of our tour, and I left it unedited to provide some perspective of the facility and operations.
because the
wing
back cover is all sealed, so there's no ventilation for an engine.
So they use this machine when they put this together?
No. You have different kinds of materials. You see this here? And this is glued together. And these are the fixing. 20 minutes to hold it.
Okay.
Only for holding.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Only for holding.
Okay.
tell me what they were. But there's some shit happening here. This isn't normal stuff.
This comes from Lotus Assembly Factory. The interesting thing here is you see not one venue. There is only good from good for tuning. It's robot applied and high voltage. That is the main thing you can say. For me intelligent. And then go down the run. Then you go in, step by step.
Joint.
Well, I was saying that the script failed on my card the other day.
Sorry. It's all right.
So
This has a full roll cage in it. This is
yeah, we have here you see with some complete. So the most cars we do here online for race guys as well. That's cool.
Yeah. Look at that.
So you love it.
Yes.
The handling is maximum cool, easy to drive. With the standard, you change the suspension a bit. You have these slicks, mini slicks on it.
Yeah.
You have a pump, Accu-Sum.
Yeah.
Good.
That's what I have. Accusum, Nitron GT3s, like, you know.
Easy.
Right.
Yeah.
Now just a little thin foam.
So I didn't realize that these are available already as race cars. The
Yeah, you
Evoras.
can buy
Yeah.
it.
In the U.S.
You see Claudio Barro? There's a race guy.
Yeah.
Talk to our race guys.
Yeah. See what he says, huh?
Yeah. He's a fun to drive.
How cool that is, man. It's a cup car.
Ja. So we have different levels in this.
It's got a real cage. It's a cup car. Yeah. We're a cup car. The Olin's. Hello.
So normal is. At the moment the matte black is going well. Color?
You can't get that in the United States.
No?
No, not in the United States. They're not. Well, I haven't seen one.
Matte black?
Yeah, they're not
there's
importing,
gonna
are
be-
they?
Yeah, I think there's going to be 25 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Club Racer? You alright? You applied for a new job here?
Yep.
Okay, very good. So then they all
Just very quickly, his arm, this guy.
Well, actually, I mean, he's always wanted to make my producer sweat, especially when it's got a slight angle. But a motorist accused of doing 91 miles an hour at a 60 mile an hour defended himself at court.